you know how to apply the rules, because these questions can be a little bit tricky. The number of M&Ms for each color that were found in a case with M&Ms is given below. So right here we have the color, and right here we have the frequency. Find the probability that the randomly selected M&M will be in the category blue or orange. You must realize that right here you have the keyword or, and the keyword or is related to the addition rule. So you must know your addition rule. Addition rule is directly related to mutually exclusive events. So you want to know, are these mutually exclusive events or not? So can you have blue and orange on the same time, or can they have common outcomes? Well, the answer is no. It's either blue or orange. So in order to apply the rule, you simply add the outcomes of each one, and this is the orange, and here is the blue, and divide by the total number of outcomes. So the first thing you should do is add up all of these, the summation of all of these. And let's just quickly do that. I will grab the calculator. Here is the calculator, sorry. I'll clear all the drawings. And I will simply add all the frequencies. So here we go. We have 174 plus 166 plus 192 plus 181 plus 385 and plus 443. So it is the total number, which is 1541. So in order to come up with the answer, we will simply add all blues and orange. So we have 174 plus, and the orange is 181. Just be careful you don't make careless mistakes. So you add these two, you type the answer as a fraction, 355 out of 1541. Here it is. On the top, 355. On the bottom, 1541. I will double check with a calculator. I want to make sure I don't make mistakes. Okay. And now you have to give your answer rounded to 3 decimal places. So I will simply hit enter. I will do 355 and then divide by 1541. And here is the decimal. They asked me for 3 decimal places, so that will be 0.230. 0.230. So keep in mind, this OR means addition rule. And when we talk about addition rule, we think of mutually exclusive events. So you have to know those rules. Now, the second question is, find the probability that the randomly selected M&M is not in the category blue. Now, is not in the category blue means it can be anything else, everything else, but not blue. Okay, so what you can do to answer this question, the easiest way to answer this question would be through the complement. And through the complement, you will have to actually subtract the blue probability of being blue from 1, which means you are left with everything else. Another way to do this question is just simply add all of the outcomes of the other colors and divide by the total number, which is 1541. I will do it through the complement just because it's easier. So I'll simply do 1 minus, oh, okay, I'll do that on the calculator. Sorry about that. I'll do it right here. It will be 1 minus, and the blue one is 174. Divided by the total number, which is 1541. So right here I have the blue. If I subtract the blue from 1, I'll come up with everything else. Okay, that's the rule for the complement. And the answer for that is this. I want to turn this into a fraction because they want a fraction right here. So I'll go to math. And the first option is fraction. And here is the fraction option. It's 1365. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I need to put my glasses. 1367. 1367 divided, oops, just a moment. I need a valid fraction. Here is the fraction. 1367 divided by the total number, which is 1541. Okay, and this is a valid fraction. I'll go back to my calculator to make sure I did not miss anything. And then the answer, this is the decimal form, round to 3 decimal places, will be 0.887. Oops. Wow, I need to make sure I put it in the right spot, 0.887. And I will double check. I'll look again at my calculator. Okay. So I think I'm done. Let's see. I will submit the question. And everything is correct. Okay.